Now I'll perform number 2, which is our 1-minute time leak. Remind the tester the wheels are chocked, and I'm going to perform my 1-minute time leak. 3 steps. You're going to put the engine off and bring the key back to the on position. Second step, you're going to release your tractor and trailer parking brakes. We're going to wait for the pressure to settle down. I'm just waiting for the pressure to settle. The pressure is settled. I'm going to use my phone for 1 minute. Third step, you're going to put your foot on the brake and start your timer. I'm going to hold the brake for 1 minute and monitor my pressure gauges. There should not be any leak. If there is a leak in the truck, your pressure gauges will start going down as soon as you put your foot on the brake. For the test, keep your foot on the brake, do not remove it, hold it for 1 minute, and keep monitoring your air pressure gauges. Right now we are at 30 seconds. We're going to wait for the whole minute. And yes, you are allowed to use your cell phone for 1 minute. It's been 1 minute. Notice my foot is still on the brake. After 1 minute, look at the tester and tell him I did not lose more than 4 psi. That means I have no leaks. That finishes my 1 minute time leak. At this point,